So today I'm going to be giving you 3 tips when using our Piña and Coco styling cream. Okay, so tip number 1, if you have my hair type, remember type 3, type 4 hair because this is super moisturizing. Tip number 1 would be to section your hair in smaller sections. Now this helps enact the curl way better, you get more defined curls. If you're doing it in bigger sections, it's just, from personal experience, it just doesn't come out the way that I want it to, okay? So tip number 2, instead of adding more product, first add more water, right? So after your first couple of pumps, I normally do 3 pumps to 1 section. After your first couple of pumps, if you see that it's not curling the way that you want it to, try adding more water, okay? And then go ahead and add more product. That always works for me. And then, tip number 3, I'm trying to make these videos short. Tip number 3, I do not like to do it from root to end, especially when it comes to the styling cream, okay? Because I like my hair big, right? I don't like product holding down my hair, right? Also, you would use less product, but I don't like product weighing down my hair. So what I do is I do not do it from root to ends. The only time I do it from root to ends is when I'm using the oats and protein hair mask, but not with the Piña and Coco styling cream. I do it from about 1 inch away from the root and then all the way down to the ends. That just makes my hair as big as I want it to get when drying and easier to fluff out and make crazy. You guys know how we do it, so I don't have to explain that part. But yeah, so those are the 3 tips that I wanted to give you guys when using our Piña and Coco styling cream. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.